Hi, I'm Tomoko from Tomoko Shima Hair Salon, New York City. I have done Malina one-and-done smoothing treatment on my left side of my hair 2 months ago. My treatment works great. The left side looks so shiny and straight. I really love it. So now, I want to make my other side of hair smoother too. This time, I'm trying a mineral booster, which is like express smoothing for those who want to get shine, anti-frizz, and keep natural volume. I am applying this on my right side of hair today.
Shampoo the hair using Malina Classic Mineral Shampoo. Do not condition. Air dry hair 50% using a blow dryer. Apply using a brush, through from roots to ends. Combine to ensure uneven application. About Malina Ultra Mineral Boost is an anti-aging hair treatment that transforms your hair to be incredibly healthy and shiny. Packed with over 12 different plant-based ingredients that gives hair all the proteins, vitamins, and amino acids that it craves. This treatment smoothens, anti-freezes, and revives all types of hair, including curly hair, bring your curl back to life. Process for 20 minutes at room temperature.
Leave for 20 minutes.
Rinse 60% of the product from the hair with warm water. For curly hair wanting to keep your curls, rinse 100% of the product from the hair. For maximum results, blow dry using a round brush. Flat iron the hair by separating it into 1/8 sections. Make 2 to 3 passes for each section. For curly hair wanting to keep your curls, diffuse or finger dry only. Do not blow dry using a brush and do not flat iron.
I complete my mineral booster treatment. It looks very shiny, same as one-and-done treatment. So for tonight, I'm gonna wash my hair and let's see how is mineral booster treatment. Time goes fast. I shampooed 3 times at home after treatment and found a few differences between one-and-done smoothing and ultra mineral boost. Also, I asked the company about the difference between mineral boost and one-and-done treatment. Now, I share with you how I feel about those treatments. Both treatment works great for anti-frizz. On my hair, one-and-done smoothing still makes my hair straighter, flatter, and shinier even after 2 months. Mineral Boost makes my hair softer and has a natural texture, keeps the volume, and does not feel heavy. When I use Velcro or hot rollers to make loose waves, Mineral Boost is a better choice. One-and-done smoothing is the actual straightener. It will last up to 5 months depending on how often you shampoo and if you use Malina products. Mineral Boost is for someone who has curly hair and wants to keep the curl but eliminate the frizz. Mineral Boost only lasts 1.5 months. The time it lasts does not depend on whether you iron your hair or not. I like both texture. I prefer one-and-done smoothing is for the weather in the humid summer rainy days. And Mineral Boost for the winter season if you style with curly or volume hair. Thank you for watching my video. Feel beautiful and see you next time!